Healthy or unhealthy, at the end of the day, it's just food. If it tastes good, it feels like an indulgence. But indulgence leads to two different destinations: results or consequences. Results: a fit body, youthful skin, and long-lasting health. Consequences: health warnings piling up year after year. An aging body and lost vitality. The formula is simple: replace bad habits with good ones. Sounds easy, right? But when the consequences aren't immediate, it's easy to ignore the change. Too busy, too lazy, too distracted to care, until it's too late. I am just a tool sharing the formula of transformation. I see the picture of results and consequences, and I deeply hope you will too, before time makes the choice for you. We only get one life. Let's enjoy it to the fullest, not just in our 30s and 40s, but for as long as possible. Ever wonder why people always say, "Wishing you good health"? Why the first thing friends ask after years apart is, "How's your health?" And not, "How's your bank account?" Because health is everything. Take care of it now. Tag someone who needs to hear this. Start your journey today.